In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images and pictures in Clipchamp step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to add photos to your videos, create picture-in-picture effects, add overlays, or simply make your edits more engaging. Clipchamp is a powerful and easy-to-use video editor, and once you know how images work inside it, your videos will instantly look more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Clipchamp tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and launch the project you're working on, or create a new project if you're starting from scratch. Once you're inside the editor, head over to the media library on the left-hand side. This is where all your video clips, images, and audio files will live. To import images from your computer, click on the Import Media button. From here, select the images or pictures you want to use and upload them directly into Clipchamp. You can also drag and drop image files straight from your computer into the media library, which is often the fastest option. Clipchamp supports common image formats like JPG and PNG, so most images you already have will work without any issues. Once your images are imported, you'll see them appear in the media library, ready to be used in your project. Next, let's add an image to the timeline. To do this, simply click on the image in the media library and drag it down onto the timeline. If you want the image to appear as a full-screen visual, place it on the main track. If you want to create a picture-in-picture effect, drag the image onto a track above your main video. This allows the image to appear as an overlay on top of your footage, which is great for logos, photos, or visual callouts. Next, let's talk about resizing and moving your image. Click on the image directly on the timeline so it's selected. Then, look at the preview or stage area. You'll see handles around the image. Drag the corners to resize it, or click and drag the image itself to move it anywhere on the screen. This gives you full control over the placement, whether you want it centered, in a corner, or filling most of the frame. If you want to control how long the image stays on screen, go back to the timeline and select the image clip. You'll see handles on both ends of the image asset. Drag these handles to make the image appear longer or shorter. This is especially useful if you want an image to stay on screen for several seconds or line up perfectly with your voiceover or music. To make your images more dynamic, Clipchamp also includes built-in effects. With the image selected, click on the Effects tab. From here, you can apply animations like pulse or spin to bring your images to life. Click on an effect to preview it and adjust your choice until it fits your video style. Effects are optional, but they can really help your images stand out. Once you're happy with how your images look, you can continue editing your video or export it when you're done. And that's it. You now know how to import images, add them to the timeline, resize and move them, adjust their duration, and apply effects in Clipchamp. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this tutorial with anyone who's learning Clipchamp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.